India's Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft program has entered its final phase, and the contract for the development of prototypes is expected to be finalized by March 2027. Tata Advanced Systems Limited, the L&T BEL Dynamatic Technologies Consortium, and the Bharat Forge BEML Data Patterns Consortium have been shortlisted for the contract. The consortia are expected to submit detailed proposals that cover costs, manufacturing plans, supply chains, infrastructure, program management, and development schedules. The Ministry of Defense will then evaluate these proposals and select the lowest bidder based on technical and contractual requirements. The selected industry partner will work with the Aeronautical Development Agency to manufacture prototypes, establish production facilities, integrate aircraft systems, and support flight testing. The maiden flight of the AMCA is expected in 2029. The Defense Research and Development Organization and the Indian Air Force are considering the development of a heavy airborne early warning and control aircraft called the Netra Mk3. The proposed aircraft would be larger than the Netra Mk1 and Netra Mk2 and would offer greater endurance, sensor coverage, electrical power, and payload capacity. The aircraft could likely provide continuous 360-degree surveillance and could also function as an airborne command center capable of coordinating fighter aircraft, sharing information, and supporting large-scale air and maritime operations. If approved, the Netra Mk3 could complement the Mk2 by providing greater endurance, stronger sensors, and theater-level command and control capabilities. Reports that Rolls-Royce may have developed two modules for a high-thrust engine for India's AMCA indicate that the company has already conducted preliminary engineering work before the formal start of the program. Reliance Industries and Rolls-Royce had recently announced plans to jointly develop and manufacture a new jet engine in India. If the reported modules exist, they may have been developed using company funding, but do not confirm the development of a complete engine. Rolls-Royce is competing with Safran for the development of an advanced engine for India's AMCA. India will likely assess several factors such as technology transfer, intellectual property, turbine materials, cooling systems, engine core design, and domestic manufacturing capability before selecting either as a developmental partner. The proposed engine would power AMCA Mk2, while the AMCA Mk1 would come equipped with the American GE F414 engines. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited may offer Russia's IL-276 aircraft for the Indian Air Force's Medium Transport Aircraft program. The IL-276 aircraft was originally an India-Russia joint project and was designed to carry about 20 tons of cargo. The program has faced delays due to engine-related issues, and the aircraft is still under development. If pursued, the program could help India in the development of domestic expertise in military transport aircraft. The IL-276 could remain an option if India places strong emphasis on industrial cooperation and technology transfer, but the aircraft's development status and engine issues would be major considerations in the evaluation process. India's Tejas Mk2, an advanced medium combat aircraft, would initially be equipped with Martin-Baker ejection seats, while India develops and qualifies an indigenous system. The Tejas Mk2 is expected to remain compatible with the Martin-Baker IN-16G seat used on the LCA, while the AMCA may come fitted with the newer Mk18 seats. DRDO and the Aeronautical Development Agency are developing an indigenous ejection seat and have already conducted rocket sled tests that cover canopy separation, seat launch, escape sequencing, and pilot survival. The indigenous system will require further developmental testing, airborne trials, and certification before it can replace foreign-designed seats on operational aircraft. The development of an indigenous ejection seat is in line with India's Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative and would greatly help in reducing foreign dependence for critical aircraft safety equipment.